What is going on? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Travis.
What up, I'm Michael.
Michael is back helping out, as I said in the last video. Quick little update. We do have some tubes in the car here. We have your B pillar, your main tube, and then he just knocked out our first A pillar, and he is currently working on the passenger side A pillar. And then we have the axle that came out of my pre-runner. Has the old dented up truss, leaf spring mounts. We're gonna just redo brake lines and stuff like that. So I'm currently working on stripping this axle. I'm gonna cut the truss off, cut the leaf spring perches off, grind it all clean, grind it completely all to raw, cut these old limit strap tabs off, and basically just prep it. We're going to cut out a new truss that is capable of supporting the upper link mounts, because now this is going to be 4-linked and put into the Lexus. So all this leaf spring crap's got to go, and we're going to start cutting out all our own 4-link tabs.
What's up, guys? Alright, so a little update here on the Lexus build. We went ahead and cut out the whole back half section here, the firewall or trunk space area, whatever you'd like to call it. Making room so we can start running our tubes back here for the back half. As you can see, we got a lot more room here. We kept the sill here so we can put the original window back in for this guy. And then we're gonna go ahead and mount tires on the back side of this here. But as you can see, we got a lot more room. We did actually go ahead and make a stand for this as well. This outside, let's go take a look at that. A little update on that so you can see what we're gonna be putting this car on so we can be building everything for it. Yeah, right here, we've got our vehicle stand for the car. We got some casters coming in for it that will mount to this top side here that'll flip over. The car will go on top of that, and we'll be able to build the whole back half and everything else suspension wise for the vehicle, have it up off the ground so we don't have any issues with clearance issues.
That way we can continue to cut that car up.
Oh yeah, just everything out of it. And then also, quick little project we did this week too. Bust out another little razor rack for a customer. Thing's pretty stout. Had to do a lot of different custom work on it because it's got a tonneau cover on the back side of this truck, so it's a little bit shorter on the back side here, but everything else worked out really nicely. Ramp's all done, rack's all done, just ready for pickup now.
And this one actually has a winch going on the front of it here.
We do that as well,
which we've done it to a couple of them, so that's pretty neat as well.
Yep. So as always, busy, keeping the shop rolling and going.
Alright, so the last piece to the puzzle for that rear axle is the upper link mounts. I guess I do have to cut out the lower link mounts, which those are going to be easy. Those are just 4 tabs, 2 on each side. This is the upper link mounts. Basically, you got a back gusset. You got these 2 front ones that lean in here in the middle. Let me just see if I can prop it up real quick. These are just real quickly, just kind of stood up to give you an idea. Basically, this back gusset here is going to sit right on the top on the other side. It's going to be facing towards me like this from where I'm standing at the axle. So that way your heims go in here, your upper links go forward in this direction. But you can see how they're going to be pitched out just a little bit each way. So yeah, so if I'm standing at the back of the axle where the gears and the axis cover and all that is, that's what you're going to see is this back plate. Then you're going to see your 2 upper links, they're going to V out right here. That's why they're kicked out at an angle. So the only reason I'm not going to weld these on now is I still need to get the heims and everything in the mail. So I'm going to wait until they're there. I always put in my misalignment spacers and I add a washer in between them just to space them just a little bit, to give them that little bit of a buffer room for paint and whatever else. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get those in the mail. We'll come back on this axle, we'll do the lower links, and we'll get this upper link set up on the top. But I do already have this cut out. I do have to finish cleaning it just a little bit, finish cleaning up the holes, but that's gonna be about it. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video, for this axle for right now. We are going to be getting back on the cage. We're going to start gutting a lot more of the car. Just a quick little rundown. We do have it on our dolly, and we do have the roll cage fully welded in. Everything is in there. So we are fully welded to the floor on our little plates. So, but we will give a better update on that next video. But for right now, that's gonna be a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the above. We're gonna be putting some more t-shirts on the website for sale, and I'm probably gonna reach out and try to find a company that can print me some stickers. So that being said, I am looking for a new t-shirt company that can do color. I have a t-shirt guy, he's great. He just doesn't do color. I want to do a little bit more detailed of shirts, a little bit, you know, a little more in depth, a little more detailed, 2, 3, 4 colors, depending on design. But we want to start releasing probably 1 or 2 shirts per month. We are going to put in another order on hats. Michael, I know he really wants a couple more hats. I'm always down for some more hats. I got a nice little row of hats, you know, partial way around our bedroom. It looks pretty nice. So yeah, we're gonna get more shirts, more hats, more stickers. We do have our own decal cutter, so probably try to come up with 1 or 2 more designs right now, just to put a little bit more out there. So yeah, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. We'll see you guys on the next one.